Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your DJI Osmo Action 6. Before you factory reset it, it's worth erasing the data on the internal storage and also taking the SD card out. I don't have it inside, but I'll show you how to do it. So you'll need to open this door by turning this switch to the right and pushing it up. Then you can open it, and here will be the SD card. You can click on it and it'll pop out. Of course, you may want to take the battery out first. It'll be easier to do it that way. Now let's erase the data on the internal storage, because as I said, it doesn't really like it doesn't erase the data, it just factory resets the settings. So if you want to get rid of the data because you want to sell it, then you can do it. But if you want to just reset it so the settings go back to the default, you can just factory reset it without doing that. But let's erase the data. To do that, slide down from the top of your screen, go to the right page, tap on storage, format internal storage, and then swipe. Now format is successful. Let's go back. Let's now go to settings, go to and scroll down to the factory reset option. Click on confirm, and now it is resetting and restarting. In a moment it'll ask you to set up the language, and that'll be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.